Well, we haven't even fully checked in and the excitement is already in full swing.
This is not fun!
Yay!
The anchorage is so busy. There's a big boat coming in tonight at 4 a.m. and like half the boats had to get out of the anchorage. I gotta go pick up our stern anchor. It's stuck. We couldn't get far enough back because the wind's so high and the swell's so bad. It's crazy. All right, I'll leave that.
Okay.
Okay, give me the keys.
Okay.
French Polynesia is hosting more cruisers than ever, and it makes anchoring here a challenge. Here's a wide view of the bay. It can get pretty rolly in here because of the ocean swell. So most boats drop a stern anchor. It helps keep the boat pointed to make things a little more comfortable, and it allows for more boats to cram into this tight anchorage. Technically, the designated anchorage is here, which keeps the route clear for large supply ships. With all the extra yachts, they're allowing people to anchor beyond the line, with one caveat. If a ship's coming in, you gotta move.
So sure enough, the ferry is coming tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. So now we've moved to this lovely, super rolly spot on the outside of the anchorage, but it is what it is. It's only for a day, hopefully. And then yeah, we get to move again. And then dealing with the whole stern anchor thing has been kind of fun. It's not just stern, but bow and stern anchoring. It's intimidating because it's our first time to try this whole setup, and we don't want to screw it up and be those people. It's all pretty straightforward, at least on paper. We drop the primary anchor like normal, but with extra chain and back down. Then, once the primary anchor is good and set, we drop the stern with the trip line and marker. The trip line and marker are super important. It marks where our anchor is so others don't drop on top of us, and the line is what we use to retrieve the anchor. Then we pull forward and bring in the extra bow chain as needed. Now we'll swing less, make more room for our neighbors, and stay pointed into the swell for comfort. It's not difficult, but when that stern anchor digs in deep, retrieving it is a mission.
I did it. It took about an hour. It was stuck. The mud is thick and viscous and like sucked the anchor in. But I had the dinghy. 25 horsepower, full throttle backwards, tied a line to the shackle that's attached to the chain, and eventually, like 20 minutes, oh, it finally came out. And obviously I'm in different clothes because I was muddy as heck. But we got it. Now we don't want to throw a stern anchor again.
Yeah, we're thinking we may just deal with this super rolly outside spot.
Yeah, we're gonna be out here in the not so wonderful. I mean, literally the ocean is right there. Literally.
Literally?
Literally.
But look at the view.
In my head there are mountains, endless sunsets, rivers and streams. In my dreams, blue skies, I see your eyes.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. If you want more info about our chain or anchors or anything like that, click over to our website and you'll find that info there. Other than that, we'll see you on Sunday. Oh, and no cats were harmed in the making of this video.